Hello learners, welcome to Success Industrial Training Solutions. This course is pallet manufacturing process, and in this course we are going to discuss about each and everything about the pallet manufacturing process, which is also called as the bottom spray process or rooster coating in the pharmaceutical industry. So let us start with the introduction part of this course. Palletization is defined as the process in which small, free-flowing spherical or semi-spherical particles known as the pellets are formed from the powders or granules. And these pellets are widely used in the modern oral solid dosage forms due to their uniform size and shape. Pelletization is considered an important part of the fluidized bed granulation process in the pharmaceutical industries. This process is commonly carried out using the fluidized bed equipment where particles are suspended in the air to follow efficient coating or layering. In the pharmaceutical industry, pelletization is also referred as the bottom spray process or pellet coating. This method allows particle disposition of the layers on polymer coatings onto the surface of the pellets. One major advantage of the pellet coating is the ability to achieve the different drug release profiles, and this includes controlled release, sustained release, delayed release, and extended release formulations, depending on the type and thickness of the coating applied. Multiple layers of the coating can be applied onto the same pellet, and this enables the development of the dosage forms with complex release patterns, such as combining immediate and sustained release within the single capsule. Overall, pelletization and pellet coating helps to improve the content uniformity, enhances the handling properties, and provide the better control over the release of the active pharmaceutical ingredients, making them a preferred approach in advanced drug delivery system. One important benefit of this process that it allows the combination of the different drug dosage into a single dosage forms. By blending pellets with different release characteristics, multiple therapeutic need can be addressed within one capsule or the tablet. Because pellet can be coated with the multiple layers of the drug or polymer, the frequency of the drug administration can be reduced, and this leads to improved patient compliance, especially in the chronic therapies where long-term medication is required. Another advantage is that the entire manufacturing process can be carried out using a single piece of the equipment. It is also known as the fluid bed coater or fluid bed processor, and this integration reduces the processing time and minimizes the material handling. Since the process is performed in the single equipment system, critical process parameters such as temperature and humidity can be closely monitored and controlled throughout the manufacturing, and this ensures the better product quality and reproducibility of the process. Overall, pellet coating offers several advantages over conventional single unit dosage form, including reduced risk of the dosage dumping and improved content uniformity. And these benefits make the pellet coating a preferred technique for the development of the modern modified release pharmaceutical products. Next, we are going to discuss about the objectives of the pellet manufacturing process, where we discuss why the pellet manufacturing process is required and what are the benefits of the pellet manufacturing process. The first one is the improved uniformity. Pelletization helps to achieve the improved uniformity of the pellets by forming the pellets of consistent and uniform size, and the process ensures that the drug content is evenly distributed, leading to a more predictable and reliable drug release profiles. The pellet manufacturing process allows the controlled release of the drugs by carefully altering the size, composition, and coating of the pellet. Formulates can design dosage forms provide either immediate or prolonged drug release, ensuring steady therapeutic effect over the time. Pelletization can also enhances the bioavailability of the poor soluble drugs, and this is accomplished by increasing the surface area available for dissolution and absorption, which can significantly improve the drug effectiveness in the body. Pellets generate less dust compared to the fine powders, making them safer and easier to handle during the manufacturing, packaging, and storage. And this reduction is just also improves the workplace safety and minimizes the production loss. Pelletization helps to improving the stability. Pellets can be coated to protect sensitive drug from environment and environmental factors such as moisture, light, and oxygen. And this coating enhances the overall stability of the drug during the storage and handling. The pellet manufacturing also improves the patient compliance because pellet can be conveniently filled into the capsule or compressed into the tablet, and this allows for easier swallowing and modern predictable release dosing schedules, which leads to the better patient adherence to the medication and compliance of the patient. Pellet exhibit enhanced flow properties compared to the fine powders, and their spherical shape and uniform size help in the smooth flow during the manufacturing operations like tableting and capsule filling, and this improves the overall production efficiency of the pellet manufacturing process. Pelletization allows the development of the customized release profiles depending on the therapeutic requirement, and pellet can be designed for the immediate release, sustained release, or delayed release, and this flexibility helps in optimizing how and when the drug is released in the body. So the overall pellet manufacturing support better product quality, better stability, improved patient convenience, smooth processing, and highly controlled drug release behavior. Together, these objectives demonstrate why the pellet manufacturing is an important step in the developing high quality, efficient, and patient friendly pharmaceutical products.